I don't know if you've been here lately. Lots changed since we moved to this location in 2003, and lots changed since 25 years been in practice. Not only have we seen 25,000 people over that time, we've expanded our facility, we've expanded our technology, we have our electric stim, interferential. Back here is where when you come in, you'll meet the ladies, they'll give you some paperwork to fill out if you haven't already done online, which is digital, is really cool. Over here we do exercise rehab, and this is our report room. We're all sitting here and go over your exam with you, tell you what we found, tell what your options are for getting better and staying better. Have the good doctors back here doing some adjustments, got a laser therapy going over here. We have a posture scan right here, so we can find out how you're standing, taking pressure off those old injuries, so we can help you get that fixed. Back here we have our spinal decompression. This is a really cool way, modern technology, to open up the spine, make those discs fatter, bring some water in there and make it actually younger. Back here we go through our foot scan, so we see how your body's been using your feet. Our feet don't go bad because we got bad feet. Our feet go bad because of the way our body's been using it. Kind of like the tires in your car go bad because the weight of the car and the way it's been aligned. And back here, we have our high-speed digital x-ray on site so that we can see what's going on within 6 seconds when we take the x-ray. We don't have to wait days, weeks, months to get a report. If there's something really wonky, we'll send it off to radiologists and get their opinion as well. We also order MRIs, things like that. I'm Dr. Patrick Lowe with Lowe Chiropractic. We have modern chiropractic care for modern chiropractic problems.